Hiya! I recorded this a while ago, and I just want to say a lot of this is just gonna be visual learning, okay? And then I also have a little list, okay? I want to say, before making this video, I remember there were way too many wig videos, okay? I watched them all. Yes, I did, because I'm a little bit of a perfectionist. Yes, I am. But anyways, I'm a little bit of a perfectionist, so I wanted to gather all the best tips that I thought were useful. And that was the list that you just saw. And honestly, probably the best tips that I've gathered. Okay? Because by the end, you should probably be the judge. Okay? I believe, at least for me, okay, let me chill, but at least for me, I thought I did a pretty fantastic. Okay, anyways. So, as you can see, I'm just doing a little cornrows. And then I'm latching the ends, braiding everything down. Okay? And then, what else was up? Yeah, look at that spicy cornrow. Okay, let me chill. Look at my handwriting, bro. I am a pretty organized person. Okay, I will give myself a big shout out. Big shout out to me. Anyways, big shout out to me though, for real, because me got me. Oh. Okay, let me pipe it down. So as you can see, I'm cutting the earpiece. I'm cutting the earpieces, making a little hole for the little ears. For the little perfect ears. Okay, let me chill. And then we're gonna spray this thing, this adhesive spray, bro. This thing could literally set things on fire. It's crazy. You think about it. But I will say, oh, and then you do this part twice. Okay, I remember I was like, that was one of the great tips that I gathered. And then we're cutting the little. Wait. You see what I'm doing, bro. There's literally nothing that I can say that you are not gonna understand visually. So we're just cutting that and putting it in the back or the middle part of the head, the little band. Okay, and here we're using a little scissor, a razor, and a tweezer. Okay, bro, the fact that I didn't even slice my skin is incredible. Shout out to me though. I'm a safe girl. I'm a safe efficient girl. Yeah. Okay. So over here, what we're doing is, bro, I'm so bad at this, okay? Well, I don't think I'm bad actually. Maybe I just need training, because in my world, nothing is impossible. Or how am I thinking? No, everything is possible. You get it. So I probably just need to learn on how to do voiceovers, because clearly, bro, there is literally nothing that I can tell you that you yourself cannot see and do on your own. But I promise you, this is the best tip and mostly efficient tips that I've gathered. At least for me, like I said, it worked for me. So maybe if you have a hard time applying wigs like I did, okay, I feel like maybe you should probably do your own research and then see which ones actually work for you. And you don't have to necessarily have to pick up like all the tips, but gather the tips that you feel you can just mentally remember. Keep that and then write it down and then collect all of them and see which ones work best. Oh, I was so scared to apply this. Okay. I just want to say something about this weight. Glue. The first layer, try to push it forward and then slide it through the little thin between the caps, okay? And wait until it's clear. No whites whatsoever, okay? No white stain. You get the point. And make sure you're doing like extremely thin layers. I feel like this was a little bit too much for me, okay? But that's okay, because I thrive during a crisis, okay? so I know how to. I'm just kidding. No, but you get the point. Okay, so I'm sorry for all that. You're gonna see this sexy ass application. Okay, no, but yeah, at least for me. Oh, and by the way, I know I didn't mention it, but I bleached the knots, and it was way too, like, I think I overdid it, as you can see. We're just gonna go ahead and fix that later, okay? Like I said, I am a perfectionist. That's probably not a good thing, right? Yeah, I think we should move towards, I'm talking to myself actually, but I think we should move towards progress than perfection. Because progress means if I did a good this time, then I'm gonna make it better the next time, which is nearly to perfection. So maybe perfection equals progress, or no, progress. You know what? Never mind. You get the point. Do whatever you want to do with your life, though, okay? This was just a little chit chat with myself. And for you, if it helps you. Oh, and this was how I planned. Bro, I'm a professional yapper, okay? Take whatever is useful and leave the rest. Oh, and this was one of the greatest tips that I accumulated. It was a beautiful girl that said to latch your wig on top of the hair, like the little piece back hair. Greatest tips, especially when I was at work. It made me itch less. I know it sounds weird because you think it would make you itch more if the latch is way too, you know what I mean. It seems like it's gonna itch more, but it actually doesn't itch more that way. So this was the result. It looks a little oily. Wait, does it? I don't know. Bro, to me, as someone who struggled to apply wigs, I thought this was fantastic. Maybe the hair might be questionable, but the application is fantastic. Oh my god, look at that girl, bro. She is so fucking hot. Look at her. Don't look at me like that, girl. You are still in my heart. No, I'm kidding. I love her to the moon and back. Okay, to the galaxies and back. That's my life. No, okay, let me chill out, bro. The self-love in me, baby, unbreakable. Okay, let me chill out though. It's not about that. You didn't come for my TED Talk, right? So let's try to respect your time. This is the result. This is the review of Tuneful hair. Honestly, I don't know what more you could possibly want. I am personally not a fan of baby hairs, but I went ahead and did it anyways. And this was me trying to show you, like, you see it. You can also split this hair and do like side pieces or like side parts, I mean. But that's that. And it's so cute. Anyways, I am sending you massive peace and love, okay? And if you made it this far, shout out to you. Okay, peace and love, peace and love.